Hey everyone, I want to do a quick video about Robinhood. As you see here, this is my old Robinhood portfolio. Probably, I don't know, 6-7 months ago I transferred everything to M1 Finance, so you can't really see it here. It looks like I just did a terrible job investing. But Robinhood's a good platform to buy stocks. It's free, supposedly. They make their money one way or another. There's a lot of things that you can get in trouble using on Robinhood. But the biggest thing that I want to cover is how Robinhood started, I don't even want to call it trading crypto, but they started offering you the opportunity to buy Bitcoin and other cryptos that they have. I have a big issue with it, and it's not really that big of an issue, but it's a big issue when people believe that they actually own that Bitcoin. If you buy Bitcoin on Robinhood, you don't own it. There's no key setting for it. As you're going to see here, I'm going to buy $1 of Bitcoin and I'm going to try to send it to myself. And to my knowledge, there's no way to do it. There's absolutely no way that this $1 of Bitcoin will become my dollar of Bitcoin in one of my personal wallets. You can read all that stuff there about their disclosures and it not being FDIC insured. Order goes, you know, the Bitcoin markets are 24/7, the crypto markets are 24/7, so you can do this anytime. I'm going to scan through and look, but I don't really see any way of, you know, protecting my Bitcoin on Robinhood. And that kind of defeats the whole purpose of crypto in a whole. The whole reason behind crypto is to get away from, you know, that centralized focal point of the banks and not being able to control your money when you want to control it. So I'm just scanning through. I don't see any way to send it to anybody. So yeah, I mean, here's the order. It completed. It went through my 99 cents. They took their penny, I guess. So I'm just gonna sell it back. You can see I've tried this about a year ago. I never made a video about it because I didn't really care that much, but more and more I see people buying Bitcoin on Robinhood and thinking that they own it. So let's get rid of it. They can have their Bitcoin back for the price of $29,000. It's amazing what Bitcoin has done over the last 3 years since I've been in the crypto scene. So yeah, I mean, that's it. I can show you guys a different wallet, the Exodus wallet that I use sometimes. A little dashboard. So open up Exodus, create yourself a wallet. Exodus, even though it's kind of a hot wallet, it's better than leaving it on an exchange or something like Robinhood where you don't control it. You can have it linked to your desktop or your phone. But here is Coinbase Pro. A lot of people use Coinbase, just the regular one. I like to use Coinbase Pro if I'm gonna just jump into a random crypto or one of the popular ones. The fees are a lot less. They're about 1/5 of what the fee is on regular Coinbase. And you can see that I buy here. I send crypto from this wallet to my Exodus, to my ledger. I never leave more than what I'm comfortable with on an exchange, because Coinbase Pro doesn't have that, you know, that mnemonic phrase where I can recover it, but I can send it off to a wallet that I own, that only I know the phrase to, that only I have access to. If you're leaving your money or your crypto on an exchange, on a platform like Robinhood, you're doing yourself a huge disservice. And you're just leaving yourself open for another Mt. Gox situation. But here you can send your Bitcoin. I'll show you a little bit of the transaction histories. I've been buying and sending Bitcoin from Coinbase for years. And I usually send it over to my Exodus wallet just in case I want to trade back and forth. This is what the Exodus wallet looks like. This is the mobile app, so it looks a little bit different than a desktop app. But it's a cool little thing that lets you send, you know, crypto. It lets you exchange crypto. I wouldn't recommend exchanging crypto on Exodus because the exchange rate is kind of funky. So you'll end up losing a little bit through the exchange. It won't be a ton, but it's a few dollars, and, you know, it might make it noticeable in the long run. But look, you can even scan QR codes when you want to send it to someone. All you got to do is scan their QR code. That's my floor. But you can send Bitcoin to one of your friends. You can send Bitcoin to me. Hey, you can send crypto, you know, wherever. There's no borders to it. Yeah, I mean, that's pretty much it. Exodus is a good platform if you want to start out. I always recommend getting a ledger so you can get your money off of any exchange and only you have access to it. And then you can use something like Ledger Live to monitor it while your Ledger Nano S is safe at home and you're not worried about it. Probably do a video on that in the future. I got my son a Ledger S it was probably about a year ago, and he still hasn't set it up. So I've just been hanging on to his crypto. See, these are my buys. That's crazy. Just to go back and look at that history and see how long I've been buying. Well, thanks guys. I appreciate you watching this video.